Get it, bro.
Should we go for a cruise?
Yeah, man. A little cruise. How you been, bro?
Oh, it's good, man.
I'll give you a hug. Give you a hug.
Awesome.
Let's go for a cruise.
Sure.
Sure. How you been?
I've been good. Been really good, man. Just played Ashburton last night. And on tour at the moment with this Tiki, Taane, Mahuta experience, which is a dance extravaganza, aerial dance extravaganza, Modako, hip hop, contemporary dance, and then I play all the music live, which has been so much fun, man. We've done about 13 gigs now.
Oh yeah, so
gigs.
how's so you must be a bit of a tohunga now, eh? Coming into Christchurch. So where have you been so far?
Well, we did 2 weeks of rehearsals in Wainuiomata, which is just out of Wellington, right? So we did 2 weeks of rehearsals. The dancers had already been rehearsing for 3 weeks before then. So 5 weeks rehearsals, and then we went to Palmerston North, did a couple of days in the venue. First show was Palmerston North, and then it was Napier, Tauranga, Hamilton, Auckland, New Plymouth, Wellington, and then we came down here, Te Waiponamu, and we to Blenheim, Ashburton last night. We got Otatahi Christchurch coming up, and then Oamaru, Dunedin, and Invercargill, and that's it. So it's a big tour, bro. It's really, really awesome. Loved it.
Since you're in the car, we might as well.
Oh yeah,
play one of my favourite tunes of all time, man.
Put me on the spot,
go for it.
Yeah.
You're always on my mind, girl. Don't you know that you're always? I remember when I first met you, I knew just what to do.
Still got it, man.
To get to know you right through the darkness of my life. You're always on my mind.
Oh well, let's talk about this when it all came about. I mean, obviously about a girl.
Yeah.
Tell me about this girl. It was pretty nice.
Yeah, bro. It was one of my girlfriends when I was from the age of about 25 to late 20s.
Oh, yeah, that's around my age.
Yeah, nice, man. And and it was just a song. It was real simple, just a real nice kind of thank you song, really. You know what I mean? And it came about from because I was doing a lot of touring with Salmon Dub at that time. We're in the peak of our touring, doing lots of Europe, going away a lot, and then I was also doing lots of touring with Shapeshifter.
Yep.
So I was away a lot, so it was just basically just saying, you know, you're always on my mind, girl, kind of thing, you know. And I mean, we're not together now, but we're still really good friends, you know.
Still really good friends.
Still really, really good friends. Is it cool we go pick up a friend of mine?
Yeah, man.
Me.
We could pick. Well, this is Tahu Taxi.
All right.
Free of charge, of course.
Hey, cheers, Tahu. All right, well, let's go to where we go. Let's go to Ashburton.
Kia ora, Sam.
Kia ora.
How's everything?
Everything's great.
Mr. DJ Sam Bora from Shapey. Now, how's life?
Life is good, man. Life is good. Nice sunny Christchurch day.
Yeah, man.
On the road with my bro and whole team of dancers and some amazing energy. So life is good.
Yeah, man. Oh, that's awesome. So if you would give a message to anyone following your footsteps, anyone out there, you know, were growing up like you, what could you send like a message to them?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's just everything that I got up to that I regret, all the negative stuff, was because I was hanging around with people that were influential in doing that kind of thing, you know. So I guess it's like, choose your friends wisely and who you hang out and associate with. That's a big thing, you know. What's that saying? You can't fly like an eagle if you're knocking around with turkeys. And that is such a classic whakatauki. Abram like that, you know.
Barrington Levy said, "Sow good seeds, you will reap good seeds."
Very wise.
Yeah.
Some very wise comments coming from you guys, man.
Getting deep in the
tohungas. The tohungas.
brother to the lady.
Okay, how you bro?
Tēnā koe.
Nā me kia koe.
Yeah.
Take the beer here.
Ai, kei te ora tonu.
Kei te ora tonu mātou o kei fo.
Ka
Nui te mahi, nui nā wangawanga, nui nā piki mena heke, ka mauto nui te mahi.
Tika, return. Tiki, Taane, Mahuta. Now, ko taku part-time, my question is, the title. Now, I think we all know why we have called it that way, but how did that come about?
Let's call it, of course, Tiki, Taane and Taane Mahuta,
Yeah.
the combination of the artists involved in creating this kaupapa, but also just with Tiki being the first progenitor of human form, Taane Mahuta with Hina Huone, creating the forms of all our whakapapa, and this is in essence actually purely and specifically a whakapapa story.
Yeah.
So, and it's about the stories that go into weave within whakapapa. So that's actually the real crux quarter of where Tiki Taane Mahuta came as a title, and in a way it was just a bonus.
It was a very big bonus.
Very, you know, I would call that little artistic.
It was meant to
maybe?
be.
Yeah.
Artistic, meant to be.
Artistic, meant to be.
It's a bit of a fluke.
Yeah, totally.
I think it's awesome. It's like it has so many different meanings, you know. You know, as you said, Tiki being the first man born, etc. Or Taane Mahuta, and also the separation of Ranginui and Papatōnuku, and there's so much of that going on in the performance. So much of the separation and moving and all that stuff. It's really, really
bring
poignant.
it together.
Yeah.
Bring it together again.
And I remember there was a corridor as well of Taane and Tiki being, and also the sense of the erection and the ejaculation, the creation of new life as well, and a corridor within Taane and Tiki as well. So and because this whole kaupapa has so much life and birth, and also elevation into other spheres as well.
So I'm not too sure if we could do this, but do we have any waita that we can play that's in it? Just a bit of a teaser.
Yeah, you mean like right now live?
Yeah, right now
Obviously,
live.
a little sometime. A little bit of that. Woo!
I mean,
Let's go Sammy.
Tahu Taxi.
Sometimes like the,
Summertime.
you know, the reggae.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. One of the chords. Played it like 100%. Yes. Coming at you live. Tahu Taxi. Let's go, baby girl. It's you and me. We keep driving out to reach the sea. We won't stop till we feel the ocean breeze. Yeah. Leave the stress out the city behind. Baby girl, this summer you got to be mine. There ain't no party like a Tahu party in the autumn time. Yo, check it. We can party with the Black Seas Quarter. Catch a fire, Fat Freddy's with drink your soul fire. What about the new blood coming through? 1814 and the 660 crew. Let's get a drum and bass on with some wicked DJs. State of mind coming on the upbeats train. Mad love, double sound, bring the liquor back. B-Money, David Dallas, PNC, West Scribe that. Run 'em heavyweight dubstep, give me the truth. Mad love, Optimus Grind, respect, bulletproof, Mount Eden dubstep. Organic is in this, I'll tell you a dubstep, all stars, yes. Welcome back, Trinity Roots, we missed ya. Where's Holly Smith, Lady Six, we love ya. No one does it bigger, better than Shapeshifter. Bless up sunshine, you know it's summertime. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Respect.
That's right.